RJTI charts versus SNDK SanDisk. We will use Garthner's stock plummet to help us explain SNDK. AI searched. Did any major investment firm in year 2023 or 2024 forecast or pre-warn that Gartner IT was to trade to $160 a share? Answer. No major investment firm is recorded as having forecast or pre-warned that Gartner Incorporated IT would trade down to $160 a share during 2023 or 2024. During that period, the stock consistently traded well above that level, and analyst sentiment was generally positive or neutral with significantly higher price targets. 2023, 2024. Market context. Throughout 2023 and 2024, Gartner's stock price experienced a strong upward trend, far removed from the $160 mark. Price range. In 2023, the stock opened near $328 and closed the year at approximately $451. In 2024, it reached an all-time high closing price of $551.80 on the 13th of November 2024. Analyst targets. Major firms during this period maintained targets much higher than $160. For example, BofA Securities issued a high target of $580 in July 2024. AI searched. Did any major investment firm put out a sell signal starting in Feb 2025 to March 2025 while Gartner was trading around its highs with a downside target of $160? AI overview. Based on the provided search results covering analyst activity through early 2026, no major firm is recorded as issuing a sales signal in February-March 2025 with a $160 target, while Gartner was at its highs. Instead, the search results indicate early 2025. Context. Gartner stock was trading significantly higher in early 2025 than $160, with analyst consensus remaining generally cautious, but not in a sell everything mode. The downside case, August 2025, Wells Fargo analyst Jason Haas did reiterate an underweight rating and cut the price target to $225 in August 2025, which is the lowest indicated target from that period in the search data, far higher than $160. The $160 level, February 2026. The $160 price level mentioned in your query actually appears as a low point in early 2026, not 2025. Following a 22% plus drop on the 3rd of February 2026, due to poor guidance, the stock fell to roughly $157, $160. See our forecast after completing reviewing this message. If you want SNDK, our algorithms, which are followed by John Johnson and Andre Payne. Our financial advisor has SNDK on our radar screen. Our algorithms are starting to warn that a healthy pullback is beginning to brew. Does it happen tomorrow is not our point, but this is to act as a warning that when we get the actual sell signal from our algorithms, although it's still roughly about it such a way from confirming yet, we at least see the bearish conditions that are forming as of the 4th of February 2026. The question is, are we certain that SNDK is to give up at least $100 of its gains? Yes. So this could act as a warning for those who are buying at $680 a share or higher, or for those who are holding on to $100 of gains. But based on our algorithms, there's a strong case for our algorithms are offering that even Holders who entered between $379.75 green line to $479.30 red line could be in danger of giving up gains. Again, this is somewhat premature, but it is better to signal earlier than late. And if you don't believe this, maybe ask those Gartner investors who listen to major investment firms and didn't heed our pre-warnings. It is easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees, but it is not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your Ramo today. RJTICHARTS.com. Driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.